Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast SOS.com. On Saturday, the 20th of February, Cyclone Winston, the strongest cyclone ever recorded in the Southern Hemisphere, barreled into Fiji, leaving an unimaginable swath of destruction in its pathway. In addition, 40-foot waves, storm surges, pummeled the coastline. At least 29 people were killed in Fiji, according to the Weather Channel. Winston was a Category 5, with wind gusts in excess of 200 miles per hour and wind speeds sustained at 185 miles per hour. Only Super Typhoon Haiyan in 2013 that squashed the Philippines and killed at least 6,300 people superseded Winston's sustained wind speeds at 190 miles per hour. Welcome to more unintended consequences of burning, climate-altering, deadly, subsidized fossil fuels. Yesterday, my colleagues at Rutgers University and elsewhere reported that seas are now rising faster due to burning fossil fuels than they have in the past 2,800 years. Over the past 100 years, from 1900 to 2000, sea levels have increased by 5.5 inches. If you live in the South Pacific, Florida, or along any coast, you got real problems. NASA says that the sea level rise is accelerating. Actually, I'm not surprised. Greenland's glaciers are unwinding very quickly. According to my colleague at York University, the big melts didn't even begin really until 2000. And it's now losing land ice, which raises the ocean 3 times faster by 2010 than the rate of ice melt prior to 1980. How much ice? An astounding amount. 8,300 metric tons per second each day during the summer. Some Goliath icebergs are calving from the land and filling up Baffin Bay. Oh, there's more. Yesterday, Harvard University released research showing a huge global spike in methane, approximately 72 times more potent at trapping heat than carbon dioxide, and the U.S. may be the biggest culprit. Is the ocean burping it? Are we getting fingered geographically unfairly? Nope. Since 2002, there's been a 30% spike in methane emissions across America. I wonder why. Wonder no longer. Harvard researchers showed that it's from shale oil, fracking, because large amounts of methane leak from fracking oil and gas wells and pipelines. Oh no! Methane gas flares, by the way, from the North Dakota oil and fracking fields are very visible from space. Plus, the Aliso Canyon methane leak here in Los Angeles bled the equivalent of 400,000 car emissions in a year over the past 4 months. This much I can predict with high assurity. We will experience more wild weather, and the longer we subsidize and burn fossil fuels, the worse it's going to be. The solution is to future-proof all towns and cities for what's ahead. Let's start with our homes, energy and energy use. Go solar. Get yourself a rain tank. Get some raised beds. Grow your own food. It's easy. Plant fruit trees. No pesticides, neonicotinoids at all. Please, we need all the bees we have. Drive less. Carpool when you can. Bike and walk more. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So come on to drreese.com, D-R-R-E-E-S-E, drreese.com, and make it happen by clicking on the donate button, or pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, and wild weather. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Doctor Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.